Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Suvarna Rao, Assistant Professor in Information of Technology, Department of Information Technology. Topic is Smart Cards and Electronic Payment System in e-commerce. I will explain the so many classes. This is the continuation of the classes of the e-commerce. The topic name is the Smart Card and Electronic Payment System. What about the smart card? Okay. Smart card are integral to modern electronic payment system, providing secure and efficient transaction. Here's the overview of the so many things are also there. The definition of the smart card of India. Smart card are the integral to modern electronic payment system. Once upon a time, we can use the only physical currency. Now, later technology or techniques are implemented. We can use nowadays modern days in the electronic payment systems providing secure and efficient transactions. We can use the smart card. But today I will discuss today what is the smart card, what are applications of the smart card, what is the benefits of the smart card. So many things have to be answered on. These are my agenda. And then first of all we will discuss today what are the smart card. Smart card are plastic card embedded within the integrated circuit. Smart card automated and is treated as one of the plastic card simply, including embedded with the integrated circuit chip. Internally, having one electronic chip is there. They are capable of the storing and processing data securely. Vice versa, it is a very secure manner. They are capable of the storing and processing data securely. In the realm of the electronic payment system, smart cards are widely used in the various purposes, including credit card and debit cards. It is the treated as smart cards. Identification cards also look like a smart card. Access control cards treated as a smart card, and more. So many smart cards are available in the market. These are the examples. One is the credit card, is the one of the look like a smart card, and a debit card also as it is, and identification. So many identification cards also there nowadays. Why? Because of the only smart card of what is the plastic card embedded with the integrated circuit chip. In chip, they have storing the processing data and all those things will be there in these chips. So this is the example of the smart card. Once again, smart card are a plastic card embedded with the integrated circuit chip. There is a capable storing processing of the data securely. Okay. The smart cards are widely used in the various purposes. So many purposes we can use the smart cards. One is the credit card. Example is the credit card and debit cards, and identification cards also there. I will explain them later. And access control cards and more. So this is the basic information of the smart cards. Here, different types of the components also there. How to embed it, how to build a card, how to making a card. This is one of the important technological things in the smart card. These called component of the smart card. So the component of the smart card can be broadly classified into four types. Basically, one is the microcontroller. The operating system is also required, memory also required, and finally interface is also required. These four things comes under component of the smart card. The smart card, we can making a smart card. These four things should be checked thoroughly. First of all, what about the microcontroller? It is one of the electronic based related terminology. The microcontroller, the chip embedded within the smart card. The plastic card embedded within the chip, all those things. The chip embedded within the smart card, which include CPU, central processing system, random access memory, okay, read-write memory, etc. And EEPROM also, electronically erasable, programmable, random programmable ROM. So the microcontroller is embedded within the smart card. It with help of the technology is called the microcontroller. Okay, and then after internal operating system also there, the software operating system authority, how to operate this system. Okay, the software that manages the data and applications on the card, ensuring security and functionality is called the operating system. Operating system authority, the subject is the different. This is called how to operate the system. The software that manages the data and application on the card, ensuring security and functionality. Okay, that is also one of the important of the component of the smart card making. And third one is the having memory also required. Memory nothing but main memory, auxiliary memory, types of the memories also there. Here the EEPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM nothing but electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. We can use this memory. Stores data such as account information, encryption keys, and personal details. Entire those things also is available on this card. So one is the microcontroller also required, the operating system also required. Memory is the important thing from the any smart card. Having some data, how to store the data is called the memory. Especially you can use the EEPROM also implemented. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Okay, stores data such as the account information, encryption keys, and personal details also required. So that is also one of the important things. And finally, interface. The interface of the connection point between the smart card and the card reader. Having card reader one magnetic circuit is there. Then having connections also required. We can use the interfaces which transfer data securely. This data transfer the information securely. Okay, these four things is the most important when making any smart card. One is the microcontroller is required, the operating system also required, and memory also sufficient or transferable memory or whatever it may be. Here you can use the memory is the EEPROM memory. Okay, and finally interface also. Interaction between all those things comes in interfaces. The connections point between the smart card and the card reader. Here reader also there, which transfer the data securely. So first of all, the smart card and electronic payment systems good understanding of what are the component of the smart card is also required. These smart cards having four types: microcontroller, I can explain already, the operating system also done, and memory, and finally interfaces. These four inbuilt, embedded in the smart card. This type of thing is called the component of the smart card. Here, with help of these four types of the smart cards also making are generated types of the smart cards. So many types is available, but I will explain only limited types are explained. One is the contact smart cards. The types of the smart cards can be broadly classified into, first of all, only two things. One is the smart card, a contact smart card, and then second one is the contactless smart card. Types of the smart card can be broadly classified into two types. One is the contact smart cards and contactless smart cards also there. These cards require physical contact with the card reader to complete a transaction. The chip and the card reader communicate via electrical contact. So the contact smart card are required. Physical contact also required with the card reader. Okay, and complete a transaction. The chip and the card reader communication via electronic contacts. It is the entire scenario is called the contact smart card types. It is the basic type, one of the important type in the smart cards. And second one, contactless smart cards. These cards use radio frequency identification RFID technology or enhanced. Okay, this technology to enable transaction without physical contact. The chip communication with the card reader via radio waves. It is nothing but a contactless. Contact is the having card also requiring the physical transaction. Contactless nothing but using only RFID. Then these technology enable transaction without physical contacts. The chip communicate with the card reader via radio waves. You can use the waves, and then these cards are implemented. The cardless transactions could be implemented. Okay, these two very important. The most probably we can use these two. One is the contact smart card, and second one is the contactless smart cards. Okay, and going to the another important point is electronic payment system using smart card. Electronic e-payment system using smart card. Okay, comes under smart cards and electronic payment systems. Here, one of the important subheading or topic is called the EMV. EMV stands for European Mastercard and Visa cards. These three cards treated as EMV cards. The EMV standard is the global standard for the credit card and debit card payment cards based on the chip card technology. So, the chip-based technology of the smart cards could implement the EMV standard. EMV in the sense Europay and Mastercard and Visa card. These three things is the most powerful nowadays. You can most implemented these three. And EMV cards contains chip that generated dynamic data for every transaction. So internally entered all those things could be there in the chip, making them more secure than magnetic strip card. Okay, making them more secure than magnetic strip card. This is called the one of the important cards in the EMV cards. EMV stands for Europay and Mastercard and Visa cards also. And going to the NFC card, near field communication cards also, one of the important is the other technique also implemented. NFC technology enable contactless payment through smart cards and mobile devices. It allows user to make payment by viewing their card or devices within a short range of the card reader. This is also one of the technique. Here, having two techniques is there and more remaining techniques also there. One is the EMV and Europay, Mastercard and Visa cards. And going to the other one is the near field communication NFC card. NFC technology enables contactless payment through the smart card and mobile device. It allows user to make payment by viewing their card and devices within a short range of the card reader. So this is also one of the technique. Another one is called stored value card. Stored value card, it means these cards store a certain amount of money, allowing users make purchase until the stored value is depleted. Okay, depleted. For example, include the transit cards and gift cards also there. So many gift cards is available on the online marketing. This is called such type of cards is called the stored value cards. And another important thing is called the mobile payment system, also sometimes treated as a smart card and electronic payment system. The smart cards are also used in the mobile payment system. Payment information is stored securely on the mobile device smart card, allowing users to make a payment using their smartphone. So this type of the card also one of the important the mobile payment systems. One is the store value cards and mobile payment system. Especially nowadays, any customer could implement such type of technology applications. This is also one of the important. And other topic is called benefits of a smart card in the electronic payment system. Having so many benefits also there. Especially nowadays, in the global in the world, we can use the with contactless card with contact. Having these two things also there. Here so many say why, because of one of the benefit is called security. You can the smart card offer advantage security features such as the encryption and dynamic data, making them less um, susceptible to fraud and counterfeiting. Okay, such type of thing is called the security. Security nothing but a operation and authentication. Moreover, smart card offer advantage security, more security features. So many encryption and dynamic data. Encryption nothing but a data will be encrypted and decrypted. Such type of conversion could be done. Then after less susceptible to fraud and counterfeiting also is required. Why? Because of these, those points, those things treated as a one of the security aspects in the smart card. It is the one of the most benefit of the smart card is for the security. And the second one is the convenience. In the large amount of the data is carrying from one place to another place, it is very difficult. In the only electronic amount you can carry anywhere within the world is the easy way. Why? Because of convenience manner, convenience part is the very good. It is called the convenience. The convenience is the one of the important benefit in the smart card and electronic payment system, the e-commerce. So the convenience nothing but a contactless transactions offer convenience and speed, reducing the transaction time and improving the user experience. So convenience and security is the most powerful benefits in the e-commerce and the smart card electronic payment system. So, and other important word or technique is called the versatility. The versatility is the one of the important subheading. Nothing but a smart card can be used with various applications behind payments such as access control and public transportations and digital identification is called the versatility. Versatility also one of the important application or benefits in the smart card and electronic payment systems, and the reduced fraud in the physically the thefts and so many frauds also there. But in the smart card systems, most of them 99% is reduced the fraud. So the use of the smart cards has lead to a decrease in the fraud compared to traditional magnetic strip cards due to the dynamic authentication of the process. Here, you can making a card, different types of the technology are enhanced. Based on the technology, we can provided the good services is called the fraud reduced technique. And the fraud reduced technique in the sense, don't the dynamic authentication process, nothing but it is the having magnetic strips also there in the card. That is also you can read and read the data. All those things could be under is the magnetic strips. So due to the dynamic authentication process could be implemented the reduced fraud automatically. So many challenges also there. So many challenges also there. First is called the cost. Second one is the comfortability and security concerns. Always is the security is the major challenges in the any electronics business. What is the cost? The initial cost of the implementing the smart card technology can be high. Required upgrade to infrastructures and equipment. So that is also one of the major challenges. Cost is the very can be high. Why? Because of it can enhance the new technology and upgrading technology also getting. Then investment is more. And second one is the compatibility. What is the compatibility? Ensuring the compatibility between different systems and devices can be challenging, especially during the transaction phases. Okay, the compatibility with different systems devices can be challenges, especially during the transaction. The transaction time, you can use the different types of the systems. Based on the systems, could be transferred the data one form to other form. That is also Compatibility, nothing but a portability, and compatibility is the related to one to other, then easy transaction of the one system to other system. And security concern. What about the security concern? While smart cards are more secure than traditional cards, nothing but a less secure. Smart card is the more secure card. They are not immune to secure threats. Continuous efforts are required to stay ahead at the potential vulnerabilities. So these are the so many securities also there in, in the smart cards and electronic payment systems. This is called the challenges of the smart card. One is the cost is the one of the time to time can reduce the cost, but vice versa you can increase the cost. And compatibility, nothing but different types of the systems you can execute very effectively and easily, not getting any problems. Okay. And security concern, security nothing but authorization and authentication. You can secure manner you can transact the card, but in the smart card is the more secure compared to traditional. And another important thing is called the features and trends. Here, the features and trends are nothing but whatever nowadays is the smart card. Traditional cards also enhanced. Then after smart cards also coming. Now this is the only smart card says with contact without contactless. Okay, and here future trend cards, how to creating, how to making a future generation of the cards. One is the technique is called the biometric integration. No need anything. That is also we can shows the biometric integration. The integration of the biometric authentication, for example, your fingerprints or facial recognition, the smart cards can be enhanced, secure and convenience manner. So the future nowadays you can making or creating of the cards is called the biometric authentication cards also generated. Then after blockchain technology, it is one of the important technology is called the blockchain. What about the blockchain? The smart card combined with the blockchain technology can provide an even more secure and transparent payment system is called the blockchain. It is called the Bitcoin or Ethereum coin or so many technology you can implement it in the blockchain technology. That is also most important advanced card generations. And third one, you can create the Internet of Things. IoTs also could be and are implemented in the smart cards, can be integrated into the IoT ecosystems, okay, enabling secure transactions between the connected devices. So, the feature trends of the cards, one is the biometrics integration. So many biometrics authentications is available. One is the biometric authentication of the eyes and the fingerprints, or facial recognition, or skin recognition. All those things treated as a biometric recognitions, then automatically working with the help of this one. Second one is the blockchain technology. Blockchain technology, nothing but one of the super technology or superior technology. You can apply this technology in the future days in the smart cards. Why? The applying of this blockchain technology automatically security are enhanced, or transaction going on fastly and transparently. So the blockchain technology also one of the important criteria in the smart card and electronic card systems. And another one is the Internet of the Things, IoT. IoT is one of the best application and so many advantages there in the IoT. We can use this technology to apply the smart cards, then effectively working of the smart cards, then store and secure, and any problems are getting, you can remove or a solution easily done the solution. All those things could be required from the Internet of the Things. Smart cards can be integrated into the IoT ecosystems, enabling secure transactions between connected devices. So the IoT is also one of the most powerful tool in the becoming coming days. Why? Because of These the future trends could implement in the smart cards. These three technology. One is the biometric integration technology and blockchain technology and Internet of the Things IoT technologies could be enhanced. So this is called the basic. So many is there. These three things is the most powerful areas. One is the biometric integration area, blockchain technology area, and smart of the things. So, the Internet of the Things IoT areas also one of the most powerful in the future trends. So finally, the smart cards are a cornerstone of the modern electronics payment systems. Finally, the smart cards are a cornerstone of the modern electronic system. Nowadays, without card, life is not there, not there. Why? Because this card is the mandatory in the any customer or any person's. So, it is the smart cards and electronic payment system is the most powerful tool in a online market and physical scenario and day-to-day life scenarios. The smart cards are a cornerstones of the modern electronic payment system, offering security, convenience, and versatility. Their continued development and integration into a new technologies promises a future of the even more secure and efficient payment systems are implemented. Why? Because of the day-to-day technology are enhanced based on the technology could implement the in the future trends of the cards like biometric integration cards and blockchain technology using these techniques cards and Internet of the Things cards also enhanced in the smart cards and electronic payment system. So these three are also most powerful tools. Why? Because of they continue development and integration into a new technology promises of the features even more and secure efficient payment systems also required. That is the basic value of the smart cards and electronic payment systems. This is the my references Ravi Karakata, Winston Andrews B. Frontiers of the Electronic Commerce. It is one of the best book. The introducing of the first edition is 1996. And the second, so many reference books are there. I can only three books are introduced. David Whiteley, E-commerce strategy of the technology and applications. And the Tata Mugni, second edition, releasing of the year of the 2000, which is the very useful. And third one is the Kamlesh Bajaj. Okay, we are introducing the name of the book is the e-commerce, the cutting edge of the business Tata McGill, first edition, introducing of the 2005. And another one is the important reference book is called the Joe Christopher, Westland, Theodore, and H.K. Clark, Global Electronics Commerce Theory and Case Studies, University Press, and first edition, introducing of the year of 1999. So many references also there. Please check click these web references. Also getting the more information related to the e-commerce subject. So this is also most important topic from the today class: smart cards and electronics payment system. Okay, the electronics payment systems. Today I will explain the what type of technologies also required, what is the application and the benefits also required, how to operate the in this one, and feature trends of the cards also I will explain. One is the biometric integration cards and blockchain technology cards and Internet of the Things cards also. And that feature trend cards. These also basic information of the smart cards and electronics payment system. Okay, and the finally smart card and cornerstone of the modern electronics payment systems offering security and convenience. Okay, and versatility. They continue development and integration into a new technology promises of the future even more secure and efficient payment systems also required. This is the my references. Thank you so much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.